up, guys? Welcome to Turbo John Racing Channel. We're at Kinston Dragway today. We got the 252 list race. I haven't been out here in a very long time, so we're gonna go out there and take a look at the track in a few minutes, see what it looks like. We got a little bit of work to do to the car. We got Justin helping and Randy helping back here today. So we're gonna make some passes. We're gonna have fun. It's a good time regardless. So if we get put out, they're gonna allow test and tune. So we're gonna make some passes. So we're gonna try to get up here. This is kind of like your street outlaw style. They do top 10 and then you race your way onto the list and then you go through. And it's at the end of the year, they end up having a very, very big purse. So beautiful weather. You can see it's a little cloudy, a little hot and humid. Welcome to summertime. But we're gonna have fun. The car, all we gotta do to the car, we gotta change the anti-squat real fast. We got about an hour, so we're gonna raise the upper bar back up, get a little bit of anti-squat back out of it. I think the calculations, that shows it's gonna be about 135%, gonna make it a little bit longer. Make sure y'all go to turbojohnracing.com, grab you some merchandise.
Make sure you join our channel membership where you get our weekly Tech Talk vids where we talk about your combination and your questions.
All right, we just got through drawing. So Brock is over here. He is the #1 hitter. You see that sticker? Y'all gonna see if he's gonna put that sticker on my car or not. We got him. We drew him first round. I'm gonna turn it up. He's the top dog out here. So I was thinking about calling him out anyway, but it worked out. I didn't have to. So we either going home first round and we get the test, or we gonna go and we're gonna make some passes. Got Justin out here helping us out today.
Oh, yeah.
Randy's over here.
The fastest guy here.
Huh?
I told him we were gonna get the fastest car.
That's awesome.
First round.
Hey, that's what we want.
That's absolutely.
I mean,
There's a bounty for the first one to put him on the track.
that's right. That's right. There's a $250. Let me go ahead and cut his head off. I've just jinxed myself. I lose every time I talk crap. Hey, that's what it is though. $250 on his head, and if I can put him on the trailer first round, that'll be the first time he's ever gone out first round, probably. So we're gonna walk out there. We're gonna see what it looks like. We're gonna put a tune-up in there that's capable of going fast, and if the track holds it, we'll have a good race. All right, me and Justin just got through checking out the track. How's the track look to you?
It looks pretty decent, especially the right lane.
It looks really good to me. We might have a wheelie problem. I hope not. So this is our first round. We got Brock, and calls it the Green Goblin. He does a lot of hood scoops too. If y'all need to hook up with him, he can get you some hood scoops out leg sand or leg sand window. Hey, where's your stickers?
Huh?
Where's your stickers?
Got them right here to that. No, you don't get one. You don't get one to the end of the track.
No, let's go ahead and take it and stick it on there.
No.
And so he's going to sticker the cars up that he puts on the trailer. Now, Brock has a very good track record down here. He is the king of 252 last year out here.
Stop right there. Let me get right there.
The winningest car out here on 252 night. So we're going.
Thank you, man.
Good luck, man. Be careful. We're going to try to put him out first round. King has never been put out first round. We're going to try it today.
What a race.
All right, so we got the win on that one. That was a tight race. I could see him coming in my peripheral vision. So that was good. I like that. That was a good pass. I don't know how fast we went. We can't show the time slips today. What about it, doggies? Boom.
Oh man, they went nuts. That was awesome.
Dude, it freaking...
He took off, bro.
Dude, he was coming on me on the big end though. That was a tight race. God, that was a tight race, but we got the win. We turned on the win light. That's freaking awesome. Dude, I'm pumped up. Wow. All right. Thanks, guys. Okay, so we made it through first round. Data log looks good. We're going to leave it the same. We just drawed. We've got a race. Steve Brinkley's wife, I don't remember what her name is, fast, and she's a good driver, so that should be a good race. We're going to leave ours exactly the same. We didn't change anything. All we did was cool it down. We just got to cool down, put fuel in it, and we're going to be ready to race. We're going to leave it there, and it's starting to cool off quite a bit, so with it cooling down, you know, the car should make a little bit more power. The car run pretty good that pass. It run fast. It was close to what I was thinking it was going to run, so it was good. I mean, we're, you know, on the Pro Bracket radios, the track is pretty tight. Most everybody down here is on a slick, so we run them based on the chip draw. So we got the right lane again, and we've got the number 8, so we'll be the 8th pair down. I think that's her right there. Well, my other buddies come up, Norman. Hadn't seen Norman in forever. He decided to come racing. Boom, y'all.
Good seeing you, brother.
Good seeing you. Thank you for coming out. So we made it through second round. So we're about to go into third round now. So we went down from 17. Now we got 9 cars. So we're on the list. We're on the list. So everything seems to be running good. I think I'm going to have to speed it up a little bit. I think we need to work on the 60-foot and down track a little bit. So we'll see who we draw this next time, and we may leave it the same, or we may creep up on it just a little bit. Some of the big hitters are still in it, and we got to go. We're gonna have to go a little bit faster, I think. This first pair out, he's got to race, I think, Antonio John Wick. Bulldozer has got to race the Buzzard.
About that bulldozer.
Bulldozer gonna be fast. That's Rick. He's the owner of the car. Y'all are probably the 2 fastest cars out here. So y'all kicking it off third round.
We're gonna do it.
Hey.
Live action.
Good luck. Hey, yeah, it's gonna be a good race. But we're back here. We're going to have ourselves a bye. The gentleman that we were going to race is down there. He was pitted right beside us in that S10. In the first round, his hood blew up, and when it did, it destroyed his windshield. It did not have Lexan, it had glass. And so when it killed his front window, he drew for second round. He got a bye in the second, so all he had to do was take the tree. And so this time he drew me, and so he's just going to hang out at the pits and just going to give me a competition bye instead of going out there and potentially, I don't know that they would let him run with the windshield out or not, but that probably would be a little sketchy. So we turned mine up. So since we have a competition bye, we're going to try to go a little bit faster. I think we're going to need to go about a 10th faster than what we've been going to run with the Bulldozer or Antonio or that Buzzard. So those cars are fast. Ours is quick, but it's not. I mean, all of them are on slicks, but the track, the sun's going down, and really the track is not bad. So we're kicking it. What do you think about the track? Track pretty sticky today.
Yeah, it's pretty nice.
So the track is not bad. So we were expecting it to be a little slicker than what it is. But I mean, they're doing a good job with the track. So we're going decent. The car's working. So hopefully it doesn't power wheelie. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. Hopefully it stays down and doesn't try to do nothing crazy and picks up about 1/10 of a second. That's the tune-up anyway. That's the goal. The gnats are killing us. So we got that by, so that worked out good for us. We did try to make it go faster. It went faster. It picked up 3 miles per hour in the big end, but it did try to wheelie. I was afraid it was going to try to wheelie. So now we're just pulling the data log and we're trying to bang around our ideas. What's going to be the best way to keep this thing down? So the cars that are left, we got 5 cars left. Dale, I drew him. So he's turbo car. He just laid down a lick. He made a really fast pass. So we're going to, that tune-up that I've got's got to work. We just got to make the front end stay down. So we had 75 pounds in the trunk. And so we're going to take out, what's the consensus? Are we going to take out 50 or 25?
50. What was your first guess?
My first thought was 50.
Take 50 out.
So we're taking weight out there, and we're going to tighten the front end down a little bit. We might be doing too much. Right now we got 4 nuts on the top here. So we're going to take those down to 2 nuts on the top, and maybe that'll be good enough for us to keep the nose down. The caveat is we may be doing too much at one time and it may spin. So, but this is a setup that has been down fine in the past. So I think we're good. My lovely wife Kelly is out here. She is doing some filming today since Zach couldn't make it. Woo! Thank you for coming and filming.
Absolutely, you're welcome.
You're awesome.
Turbo John shirts.
Turbo John shirts up there. Y'all go to turbojohnracing.com. Make sure you get some shirts. And it was really hot out here earlier today, so what Kelly had an idea. I don't know if she's gonna do it or not.
Oh, I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna put up some Turbo John women's tank tops. So it's gonna be pre-order only. If you go to turbojohnracing.com, you'll have about a week or so to put in your order, and then we'll get some tank tops here because it was 90 degrees today, and I'm sorry.
The humidity was like, it was through the roof.
I just need a tank top.
So we got a few minutes here to get everything squared away on the car, and then we're gonna be done. This is one of our things, man. I mean, this takes a whole team of people to do this. I mean, it's just really hard to maintain this stuff in between rounds. So it's tough. So we're ready to go. We just gotta tie down the front end, and then we're gonna be set. All right, guys. Well, we are done for the night. What a great day of racing. We had a blast. That didn't work. I should have listened to my team. Justin and Randy looked at me funny when I told them I was going to take the weight out and tie the front end down. That was my gut instinct. I was wrong. I should have listened. They both looked at me like I was crazy. And they were like, do you want to rethink that? Should we be not making both of those changes? And I should have listened. I think the weight out of the back was the right move, and the front end travel was the wrong move. Or maybe, you know, possibly another combination. But we're coming back next Thursday. We're on the list. We're like number 5. So we're at KDS, Kinston Motorsports, Thursday night. So we'll defend it, and I think we'll have 3 races, and I'll go up or down. So, I mean, if I lose all 3 of my races, then I'll be at like spot number 8 or number 9. But if I win my 3 races, there's a chance I could move up to like spot number 2. Go to turbojohnracing.com, pick you up some shirts, get you some merch, and please comment, like, and subscribe. Make sure y'all hit that join button, and y'all can get our weekly live chats. We're having fun on those too. Y'all take care.